like so weird. Why? There, I got a trick to get him in there. What's it? What's it? What's it? What? Nothing I want. Yeah. Ah! If you put your fingers in the back of the bag, I'll go attack it.
Meow. Wait, watch.
You gotta like tap the bag, let him see that your fingers are there, let him go in the bag. Put your fingers in the back and like tap it. Guts, stop messing with the damn bike! Yo! Now put your fingers there. Put your fingers there. Go do it!
Here, hold this.
It's still recording, but it's a little button.
Okay. Oh.
Where'd he go?
He's following it with his head.
He's like, I want it.
Look at his head.
I know, he's like following the damn thing.
Where'd he go?
Wait back here to see if he'll go attack it.
Yeah, he's gonna.
Go get it. I see his paw. I see nothing else with him. He's like, there's cameras on me. Why? Freaking weirdos. Why? Am I in the way? Okay, no. Need a claw so I can just keep it here.
But he's got teeth.
Oh, it doesn't have that bad. You little poo-poo head.
Wait, move him out here.
He doesn't want to move.
Trying to hold it in between my neck. No, come back here, Klutz! Go this way.
Ew, it's like all wet on the inside.
It's because of him.
Oh, probably his nose, right?
Yeah.
He's like, stop it! I don't want it no more! You're torturing me! Why? I hope I wish I bridge you.
Oh my god, watch this, come here.
I'm coming! I'm old. Is this how she was standing? What the heck?
Oh man, he slipped right out of it.
I was like, why are you doing this to me? Stop.
Oh, I got it.
Stop it, I don't want the baggie no more.
He went right into it after you said that. He's gonna choke himself.
Oh god!
Attach it to a seal, attach it to a seal.
He's gonna die, the poor thing. Okay. Ah! I'm right in the way.
Woo, 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 woo. Watch, watch. Meow.
You're so mealy.
He just plops and he slips right out of it.
This is mean. This is like cruelty to animals.
No, he likes it.
Oh, he doesn't. Look at him. Oh, fuck this bag. I'm about to fuck it up.
Ah.
It sucks that he doesn't have claws. He can't get it.
He got it for me.
Oh my god, look at it.
He hid behind the bike.
Okay, leave him
He's
alone.
in
He's
jail.
done. He's done. He doesn't like it. Stop.
Oh my god, he has. Oh my god, look at his mouth! He got black all over his face from the chain. Wait. I haven't done recording. I want to see his face.
Oh,
Look at his poor face from that stupid chain. Hey, that looks like it hurts. Well, we gotta get something to wipe his face.
so precious.
Let me see. Wait, keep him on your shoulder. Oh my god, that's grease.
It's great. Yeah.